Welcome back, guys, to Christine's Jamaican Kitchen. So today we're having pepper steak. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more recipes available. Once again, we are cooking it up. So here is all my ingredients that I need. Black pepper, Maggie All Purpose, paprika, oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, scallion, bell pepper, sweet pepper, all different colors, jalapeno pepper, red onion, garlic, spicy pepper, thyme, pea-sized ginger, honey, lime, vinegar, of course, your meat. Here's my meat. It's already washed and seasoned. You know, you use your vinegar and your lime and you wash it with the water because you know you have to clean that meat. What I did was I bought the steak that was already sliced, so I don't have to slice it thinly. But as you can see, it's already sitting here. It's marinating for a couple of hours well. What I have on it right now is all my powder seasoning. I did put my soy sauce on it. I have scallion, onion, garlic, and some of my jalapeno pepper on it right now, marinating for a couple of hours well. So it's always good to do it from overnight, guys. Don't forget. My onion, sweet pepper, bell pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic, all washed, stripped, chopped, and ready to go. I did leave a Stark Scallion and one of the sweet pepper to show you how much I use and how I chop it up. So let me go wash my hands and get this going. Okay, guys, so this is how much of the sweet pepper I'm using. So each pepper, what I did, you see how it has these little areas right here? So I just cut right in here, follow the line. This much. So then I just slice into it. Just like so. There you go. My jalapeno pepper, I'm just gonna do some thin slices. I'm gonna use a whole purple pepper. You know I love my purple pepper. Maybe because I'm the one that grow it. And my Scotch bonnet pepper, but it's any spicy pepper you choose. So I'm just gonna cut into it. My pea-sized ginger. So these are my scallions. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I achieve this look. So you just slice into it. That's it, not hard. Okay, guys, let's go cook. That's how you do when your pot is hot and you're ready to cook. You like hot. My pot is ready for my oil. Ready to add my meat. So we're gonna be sauteing. So you want your meat to have a dark brown color. So let me throw it in. Ready to add my vegetables. Ginger, garlic. Honey and oyster sauce. Whole pepper. Water. Lid it. Cover it down. Soy sauce. Add the rest of your vegetable. Medium to low heat. Quick and easy, guys. 30 minutes and dinner ready. Dinner done. Watch how me I go taste my dinner. But before I do, I steamed some white rice. I did green beans and purple cabbage on the side. But look at this, guys. Isn't this lovely? Isn't it lovely? Let me dig in. Just right. The meat is tender. The honey bring out so much flavor. It gives it so much flavor. Man, guys, you have to try this dish. But for now, bye. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.